Here is the Call Cafe tip of the day to remove coffee stains from clothing. To remove coffee stains from clothing, sprinkle a little baking soda on a wet dishcloth to quickly remove coffee and tea stains.
Here's why you should pay with your Carif's branded debit card. There's no signature required.
The government of Barbados has issued an earthquake early warning. Please stay away from windows and walls and get under a table.